Well, we're getting very excited because we're now going to load up Hygge, because, fingers crossed, wind blowing in the right direction, we're going to be going away to one of our most favourite counties, Cornwall, along with 500,000 other people, I think. But we're really looking forward to it and we're quite excited. Gary's just gone to pop the roof so we can start loading the bedding up, and yeah, we'll show you how we get on. The inaugural journey.
This is a big day.
It is a big day.
In 2020 to go out in a van.
Yeah.
Overnight.
Yes. Not just for a picnic. It's very exciting. Oh, the van's facing forward already. It's already got a full tank of diesel.
Oh yes, diesel's in.
Yeah, diesel's in.
Right. 1, 2, 3. So you're in charge of that. I'll take over.
All right then.
Because you're chief. Let me come round here.
So long, I've forgotten how to do it.
If I come round here.
We do it long ways, don't we? Can you push the chair forward?
Yeah.
That's it. There we go.
Roof down.
Roof down. We've taken out the mattress that came with the top bed, because we don't use the top bed.
Because that's our topper.
And we put our topper up on one side, like so.
See if I can.
And then on the other side, we put, oh, can you see? Our mattress. Our
No,
quilt. Mattress, quilt, and go and do lally. I've forgotten how physical it is.
Come back through here now. Look at that, like a gazelle.
Like a smooth, well-oiled machine, this, isn't it?
Oh yes.
Well, it was. But hey ho, it keeps you fit. And I'm coming down.
Well done.
There we go. I'll show you how it fits in at the top here. It's quite neat. And on this side I'll put the sheets.
Oh yes, sheets.
And the blankets as well. So it's a really good use of space up here. We don't need the other mattress as it happens. I mean, I suppose we could keep that one up there and put it on the bed downstairs in the evening. We may do that at some point, but we have our own little mattress topper here. It's very good. This is Gary. What are you doing, Gary?
Right, this is the blanket, and then we put all the chairs and a table, and if you fold that over the top, that stops it falling out the back. Yeah. So it's a good way of protecting the seats and holding all the stuff in place.
Yeah, yeah.
And that'll be the next job.
Yes, as we're loading up bits and bobs today.
Got another day to go before we finally.
Yes, because we're going to have to go and get some food shopping and what have you. And I've just been making cakes for our grandson because he didn't like the ones I made yesterday. So being a dutiful grandma, I've made him the ones he wants today.
The batteries are fully charged.
Oh, are they?
Solar's working. The lights are flashing merrily in the corner.
And we wish we were going now, don't we?
We do. Despite the strong winds.
Yes, it's very, very windy. We're actually going to a site on a cliff as well.
Yes, that'll be
So
interesting.
it's going to be interesting, I think.
Because last time we were on that site,
Yes. What happened, Gary?
our awning started to
Take
marching down the side, down the cliff, and somebody else lost their entire
theirs
awning.
completely, didn't they?
Woke
We
up in the
saved
morning
ours,
and gone.
didn't
We put all the furniture flat on the
Yeah,
on the ground and stopped it blowing away
we did. Didn't we?
because the wind can get under the van
Under
and
the
up through
awning.
the awning.
Yeah.
So,
Gary didn't sleep much that night. I slept like a log. because I'm used to that kind of thing. Gary wasn't.
It was the re-pegging that was required at
Yeah.
3 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah,
That
in
was
the
tough
howling
bit.
gale with the rain. It was hilarious. I wish I'd had a video of it.
Caroline's books.
Yes. Have to take a lot of books with you.
There, in the middle.
Hooray!
Look at that.
Look at that. What
Half
a
a library in there.
selection. I love my books. So we've got a really good book here. The Illustrated Guide to Britain's Coast, which was republished in the 80s. And it goes around the whole of the British Isles. And it's fab. Ages trying to find something to tie the curtains back with that was pretty and colourful. And I found some hair pom-poms. But why there's only 5 in the pack, I don't know.
Oh, that was a full pack, was it?
Yeah,
5.
5 anyway. Probably to make you buy
2 packs.
2 packs. So these are dead easy to use and just add a little bit of something to the van.
There you go. Multicoloured to boot.
See, poor Gary's had to give in and let me go girly. So I put these on the main windows. We do need another pack actually.
I think we're 1 pom-pom down.
We're 1 pom-pom down, but I just think they're so pretty. I couldn't resist.
Line it all up.
Yeah, couldn't resist. I'll do this one as well so you can see what you need to do. Look, what can I say?
Perfect.
Perfect. Well, this is us on the approach to Trewethett farm campsite just outside Tintagel. We've had a very good trip down so far. Very clear. We're very excited.
We are.
Aren't we?
We've been looking forward to this for a long,
We
long
have,
time.
yeah. A whoopie do. So we're just looking for the entrance. We have been here before a few years ago, when we visited St Nectan's Glen. Oh, there it is. It's over there. Look. So we
Follow the road
remember.
round, I guess.
Yeah, we do remember this little place. Very windy roads and very steep. It's just there,
Yeah,
I
on the
think,
left.
yes, on the left. So we're looking forward to having a pitch with a view, hopefully.
Yeah, that'd be good.
Because I don't think
It
we
certainly
can.
has a good view.
Yeah. As you can see, if I pan around here, see the lovely coastline of North Cornwall and the Caravan and Motorhome Club site of Trewethett Farm. That's it. And the
Yeah.
lovely flowers there to greet you down the drive. Last time we came here was quite eventful because we had a huge storm and nearly lost the awning. But it is a lovely place.
Yeah, we had a really good pitch last time.
We did, yes. So we'll have to wait and see what they do this time.
Because the system's all different, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
I think they might
Yeah,
allocate you one rather than.
yeah, we're not really sure
Right.
how it's going to work. So
It's
we're-
also contactless.
yes, it is actually. So,
New arrivals on the left.
oh yeah.
Or here.
Or is it wash and go? Lord, I don't know. Okay, there's a person
we're
there.
down
Ring
Right.
the number, I think. If I'm looking very dishevelled, it's because we're now on the Trewethett Caravan and Motorhome Club site in Bossiney, just
Bossiney.
outside Tintagel. It's blowing a gale as it always is on this site. Absolutely lovely. We're so pleased to be here. I'm washing up. We've just set up and I'm getting the washing up done and we're off for a little walk in a minute. But
Behind you is a wonderful
yeah,
view.
you are. I'll get out of the way. How's that?
Look at that.
It's a lovely
Lovely.
site, isn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah, we do like it here.
really good for views. If you're happy to put up with the wind, which we are,
Yes.
that
yeah.
works.
Yeah. So, what was the procedure? Because it's slightly different now, as you can imagine. And it's a very busy site actually. We're surprised how busy it is. But what was the procedure, guys?
Right, for coming in, we had to pull in like normal for new arrivals, but then you ring a number that's on a board at the front when you enter,
Yeah.
and they say they'll come out and meet you. They give you the normal map for the site, but they've allocated you a pitch.
Yeah, they did ask us
What we fancy,
what you fancy. You prefer grass or hard standing? We said we didn't really mind, but we want a view really. Yeah.
So we got the pack, which has the map to show you where the pitch is, the new rules and instructions, and 2 wristbands.
Yes, where are they?
Because the facilities work on in this site, you have a wristband allocated to you, and there's hooks on the outside of the facilities, isn't there?
It has your pitch number on it.
Pitch number. So if you hang that on a hook outside, you know there's room inside the facilities. As soon as all the hooks are used, it means they're full, and you can't go in until somebody else comes out.
Yeah, we think that's a very good system.
Seems very sensible. They've added some extra toilets and showers.
Yes, they're called family ones, but
they said you can use for
I assume it's because everything's in one. We could probably go in together actually.
Yeah.
I guess.
But they've seemed to have organised it very well.
Yes, they do. Very friendly wardens.
Yeah, very
Again, generally are with the Caravan and Motorhome Club, I have to say.
So it just feels so good to be back in the van, even if we are doing the washing up.
Yeah, yes. But it's just so nice just to be here and looking at a view. And we're just looking forward to walking and enjoying Cornwall, the beauty of the Cornish coastline, really, isn't it? And
so we've booked in for Tintagel Castle.
we have. We booked in for
Later in the
Thursday. I think it's going to rain Thursday, so we'll probably try Friday. But you have to do that by going on the website now.
Yeah,
it's like everything. I don't know what you do if you're not online. Well, I really don't actually.
But it worked quite well. It wasn't that busy in terms of there were still slots available.
There's lots of slots for Tintagel. Yes.
Yeah. So although there's quite a lot of people on this site, obviously
yes.
not everybody's visiting the castle, which is fine.
No, most people are off walking because obviously it's just been able to get away, and we managed to stop off. I did a little video. Well, we did 2, didn't we? Because we saw this wonderful horse and some fantastic flowers
at the services.
And what were the services?
Sedgemoor.
Was it Sedgemoor?
Sedgemoor services on the M5.
Yes, yeah. And we didn't go in the services because obviously we're self-sufficient and prefer not to at the moment. But just behind us was a picnic area in a little country lane, and there was a guy with a horse, and like a miniature cart horse, wasn't it? Well, they call them something else. It's lovely.
Yeah.
No, beautiful. He was 18 years old, obviously cherished. And as we walked down this little lane, I mean, you're right next to the M5 where all these beautiful wildflowers, which I videoed, if it's any good, to show you.
So we're just finishing off the washing up before we have a walk in the bracing breeze.
It is bracing. I think we should have bought our hats, our woolly hats. But hey ho.
It's not raining.
It's not raining, and it is actually quite warm
at
the moment, even in the breeze.
So it might video a bit, but it won't have any sound.
No.
It's so strong.
No, that's right.
Okay, we'll see you in a while.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.
Bye.